Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Review of Day channel. Today, we will talk about a topic that interests many people, weight loss. And for that, we bring a complete review of a product that is giving you what to talk about, GlucoTrust. Does it really help you lose those unwanted pounds in a healthy and effective way? I will share with you all the details, from how it works to the results you can expect. So if you're curious to know if GlucoTrust is what you need to reach your goals faster, keep watching and come with me. And it really works. And the answer is yes, GlucoTrust works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will change your life. GlucoTrust is an innovative supplement designed to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and promote restful sleep, essential for overall well-being. Its formula includes powerful ingredients such as biotin, which improves the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats, chromium, which helps in appetite control, and cinnamon, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, licorice root extract contributes to digestive health, and zinc strengthens the immune system. With this unique combination of natural ingredients, GlucoTrust not only helps control blood sugar levels but also promotes healthy weight loss, reduces cravings for sweet foods, and improves blood circulation. If you are looking for a product that offers a holistic approach to improving your health and well-being, GlucoTrust may be the ideal choice for you. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with GlucoTrust. Even on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used GlucoTrust, and you may have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test GlucoTrust for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So be sure to use GlucoTrust, but make sure you are buying on the official website to ensure you get the benefits of the warranty. In addition, for GlucoTrust to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. For best results with GlucoTrust, it is recommended to take 1 capsule a day, preferably before bedtime, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after use. The first results with GlucoTrust may vary from person to person, but many users report improvements within a few weeks of continuous use. For more significant results, consistent use for at least 2 to 3 months is recommended as indicated on the package and in the product guidelines. Also important for you to know, GlucoTrust has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy GlucoTrust, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope GlucoTrust will really help a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.